Hello and welcome. Today we shall be taking a look at multinational financial services company General PLC. The company has a market capital of £16.1 billion and is currently ranked 32nd in the FTSE 100 index. In the year to December 2018, General had a revenue of £13.25 billion and a profit before tax of £2.1 billion, which gave it a margin of 15.8%. It currently pays an annual dividend yield of 5.9%, which is paid semi-annually in September and June. This dividend is covered 1.8 times by the earnings per share. General was formed in June 1836 in a Chancery Lane coffee shop to provide life assurance to those in the legal profession. The current CEO, Nigel Wilson, was previously a director at Halfords before joining General as CFO in September 2009, then appointed to General CEO in June 2012. General employs over 7,900 people worldwide and predominantly operates in the UK and the USA, with some smaller businesses in Asia and the Middle East. It is divided into three divisions: investing in annuities, which in 2018 represented 70% of the annual profit. They provide pension annuity income for over 1.1 million people and over 3.1 million defined contribution pensions, and also approximately 30% of the UK lifetime mortgage market. General helps customers manage their retirement finances through companies or pension fund trustees, directly to individuals or through their financial advisors, and direct investments to cities with urban regeneration schemes in the UK, EU and the USA. They also provide finance to SMEs and multi-tenure housing. The other division, investment management, was 17% of the annual profit. This division provides investment management for pension schemes and institutional clients. The third division, insurance, was 13% of the annual profit. Life assurance products for the UK and US customers, also household insurance and other personal insurances such as pet insurance, travel and lifestyle cover. For the previous 6 years, General has had a consistent revenue of between £6.1 and £13.2 billion and an operating profit margin ranging from 13.9% to 26%, which gave it an average of 19.1%. The forecast for next year is a revenue of around £8.4 billion and a margin of 28%. The revenue and profits have been influenced in recent years due to the US tax changes and mortality releases due to adjustments in the UK and US life expectancies. With generated earnings for the previous 6 years of between 15.2 pence and 30.5 pence per share, the dividend has always been covered by at least 1.3 times the earnings per share. Over the previous 9 consecutive years, the dividend has grown by 15%. The earnings per share is forecast to increase 2% in 2019 to 30.4 pence per share. The share price standard deviation for the previous 12 months was 12.7 compared to 304 for the FTSE 100 index. The current share price of 278 pence is 87% above the 52-week intraday low. In September, General completed a £4.4 billion buy-in for British Airways PLC's pension scheme, covering nearly 22,000 pensioners. This is the largest ever bulk annuity policy arranged with the UK pension scheme. In October, General completed a £2.4 billion buyout of NUE Network's UK pension plan, covering around 15,500 pensioners and around 7,200 deferred members. This transfer brought the total volume of global pension de-risking business to more than £8.4 billion for the year to date, a new record. The 2018 results were announced the first week in March. There was growth in the investing in annuities division with a record £9.1 billion of bulk annuities written across 40 deals, more than double the value of the 2017 annuities. The assets under management of the investment management division grew 3% to over £1 trillion. Insurance gross written premium increased 3% to £2.6 billion, including just over $1.3 billion from the USA. Solvency II coverage, whilst good at 194%, was below expectations due to market volatility. Total dividend was increased 7% to 16.42 pence per share. With the Pensions Freedom Act, there have been changes to the UK market, but Legal & General are well placed to take on the obligations of other companies' defined benefit pensions. Legal & General has over 9.5 million customers in the UK for their life assurance, pensions, investments and general insurance plans, and over 1 million life assurance customers in the USA. With the recent transfers of bulk pensions, Legal & General continues to dominate the growing bulk annuity industry, with a 38% market share of the UK and also growth in the USA. With Legal & General breaking into new regions and being active in 3 main areas, investing annuities, investment management and insurance, the outlook for the company remains very strong. Legal & General currently has a price-earnings ratio of 9.4 compared to the FTSE 100 index average of 14.6 and a dividend yield of 5.9% compared to the FTSE 100 average of 4.47%. This dividend is covered 1.8 times by the earnings per share. For these reasons, I've given Legal & General a rating of 5 out of 5. Thank you for watching. Please leave comments below. And also like and subscribe for further analysis of UK company businesses.